Welcome. This is Mary Flaherty from the Office of Career Development. My office and the Office of Alumni Relations wanted to share a brief tutorial on utilizing LinkedIn to stay connected to the college and to each other as alumni. The Roberts LinkedIn page allows users to view college updates, job postings, and alumni news. This is also a great tool to search and connect with other graduates from your geographical area, career field, or major. You can see here that I'm on the Roberts homepage on LinkedIn. This page allows us to share alumni news, and you can see here we have a number of alumni who are working on the front lines with COVID-19. So we are featuring some of those stories. This also allows us to share things that are happening in and around campus. The one feature that we wanted to share with you was how to search for other alumni. The search feature on the alumni page allows you to search graduates by job title, organization, geographic area, or what they studied. So for instance, I can use the toolbar here to search anyone who has teacher in their title. You'll notice that my search went from just over 9,500 alumni to just over 1,600. And as I scroll down, I can see where they live, where they may work, what they do, and what they studied, along with skill areas and how I might be connected. So if I was interested in searching for teachers in the Buffalo, New York area, I've narrowed my search down to 58. And I can see here who they are, and I can begin to connect with those alumni. Networking is really a key component for a successful job search. This page allows you to reach out and connect to other Roberts graduates. We are proud of the work our alumni are doing and hope that you will continue to connect to the college and each other.